Alright, guys. Let's get this going. Alright, so welcome to another PrimeTime Pips live stream. And with these live streams, we pretty much try to find a trade every single day, just to show consistency and just to show, I guess you can say, the profitability every single month and every single week. So nobody has to get questioned about consistency, but also to eliminate a lot of people who are on here on YouTube or on many different platforms saying that they're doing it and they never actually show live footage of them actually trading. So this is what that is for, and it's also to help out you guys if you want. This is not a signal service whatsoever. This is not for you guys to sit here and take the exact trades that I'm taking. This is not signal service. This is not financial advice. You should not risk capital that you cannot afford to lose. The disclaimer is inside of the description. I really advise you guys to watch that. I mean, not watch that. Read that. But then we're pretty much just gonna get started now. See if we can find anything that could make us some money. Yo, good morning. Good morning. I didn't see that. I need to pull up the chat in a different on a different device. Pull it up on my other screen here. Give me a second. Overall, I got this going back down again, so alright. There we go. I have the chat going. So just in case you guys say something, I will be able to see it immediately. Let's try to finish. I'm a little late to the party again today. Got on at 8. I usually like looking at charts at like 6, between 6 and 9 to find my entries. Give me 1 second. Alright, cool, I'm back. Alright, so another thing that we really don't want to do, that's just like I teach, like we're not gonna try to force a setup like I did yesterday. I wasn't feeling good yesterday, so I just took a setup, which was shame on me. If you don't feel good sitting down and trading at the market, you really should not be trading. Your mind ain't right. But now I feel better. But we're just gonna see what we can come up with, pretty much. The dollar has finally reached the area I said it can get to. I said the dollar's gonna hit up here last week. I think it was Thursday. Wait, yeah, today's Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday, Tuesday. So this was like around Thursday. I said price to get back down to this area. You can go back and watch the other live streams. So no, I'm not kidding about that. We predicted this down move in the group, going back up, retesting this area, and going back up to hit the 93.392 mark. That was a take profit for me. But once price came back up, came down, and it refused to go lower, the structure still stayed bullish temporarily. So we see this not trying to go any lower than this and starts going up. I'm a buyer in this case. So me being able to buy to this level, which I don't trade the dollar index by itself, but this goes good for UCAD, UJ, EU, GU, because I was able to sell EU, and it literally does the exact opposite of the dollar. So if I have the dollar marked up, think about how many pairs I have potentially marked up. There's USD CAD, went up just like the dollar index. USD CHF went up. I said that we were going to take out these highs right over here. We ended up going up to take those out. UJ is the only one that's not really paying attention too much. Didn't really go up as much because the Japanese yen was getting stronger. And then you got AU Same thing, going right back down. But you see how many pairs that you can take advantage of just by knowing where the dollar is going to go. And you guys watching me, you guys will be able to see down there almost every week, if I look at the dollar, potentially where I got it going from the markup. So we had the dollar, in my mentorship, we had the dollar going down since April. So we've been bearish on the dollar for some time. Now that the dollar's going to continue to keep going up, because we still have a whole nother level for it to hit. What do you think I'm planning on doing for EU? Continue to sell until something else changes. But for right now, I'm just selling. But it looks like I missed a lot of my setups getting on kind of late. This was also the area that I highlighted to where I said we'll be looking for a sale, and this is NUDUSD. And look what happened. It just fell off. And gold took a poop. The dollar went up, gold shot down. There's a lot of good trades this morning that I missed, not being up. The only trade I was able to do is EU, but I'm not going to count that for the monthly profitability. Just like I didn't count the trades before I started going live into the profitability. I'm only counting the trades that's right in front of y'all to see if I'm profitable for the month with the trades I take in front of y'all. Yeah, I missed too much. I missed a lot of very good setups this morning. crazy. Man, if I could try to find something like this, I would already retest it. Gotta figure out where I would want a take profit to be. If I take this, I think I'm yeah, if this starts going up, it can definitely hit here. We can definitely see price get up here again. Whether it's this week or next week. When it looks of it on the hour, it looks like it wants to make one more down move. So I may actually not even take this because this looks bearish. I'm gonna wait until it gives me something else. I'm not in this trade now. I am not in this. I want to see what price wants to do. If it wants to make another low. Now, with this type of setup and formation, the way it's looking, it just looks like price wants to go down a little bit more in the 15 minute. So until it shows me something good, I don't want to get in yet. If price goes up from here, I would have an entry around the same thing and just let it ride. Why does this always move every time I do this? You got a 1 to 29 risk reward ratio with this one. That's if this goes right. This has a chance of going wrong. But we're gonna see. Gotta put my computer on the charger. And this is US 30. This is really volatile. A place that we probably gonna take partials at if this works out is right there. Once price gets up there, we can take some off, because once we're up there, this is a 1 to 29 risk reward ratio. That'll probably be, that's 237 pips versus the 18 pip stop loss. That'll be a 1 to 13 risk reward ratio once we hit up here. So we'll be up a 1 to 3. I'm gonna take off about 50%. So I'll be closing about a 1 to 6 when we get here. And then just have the rest running. But like I said, that's if this goes correctly. This to be the one trade for the day, because I missed a lot of them. Only one I got into was your USD, and that went fantastically for a 1 to 7. Lego. If everybody watching this can do me a favor, is like this video for me. That'd be great. Thank you. Steph, am I in this already with the small lot size on the first one? I lowered my first lot size. With the entry to the left, that was to the left. Still have one there, which is in profit. But this one that you guys see is my other one for a retracement. See if I can get a wick and then continue up. But right now I'm already up a nice amount. I'm up like a 1 to 2.7, about 6, almost 9%. There you go. This is the retracement that I was waiting on. It just made a swing high. So it should go down. It shouldn't run that high. If it does run that high, we're gone. But just remember, this is not a signal service. I don't care how right I am. You do not take stuff. It'll be that one trade you take that I'm actually wrong on, and you over leverage your account for these newbies who are not my student, and blow an account and blame the world but yourself. And Steph, what the other trade looked like if you were stuck was right here. Same type of take profit. Oops. So if my first one makes it and I never get hit in on that second one, why does this always move? Oh God. There we go. There we go. Well, you see, just from the looks of it, the stop loss. I'm up a 1 to 3 now on that other trade, which I may close. But I'm gonna see if we can keep going up, at least get here and close a 1 to 12. I'm hovering over the close button right now. My stop loss is 20 pips, and we are up 105 pips on that one trade. Right now, I'm up a 1 to 5. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually get ready to close this out. Yeah, get ready to close this out. Oh, Steph, I'm glad you seen it. That's what we normally play it off of. So it all made sense if you knew already on why I took it. Remember on this first one, stop loss was 20 pips. We're damn near up 120. It was pretty much a 1 to 6. And as soon as this, yeah, I think I'm about to close it. Oh man, man, I am officially gone. All right, so with this first one, I'm out. I didn't hold it till it got up here, which it definitely can still get up there. But I closed with a 1 to 6 restore ratio using 3%. I closed it all the way. I'm up 1 to 6 and 3%. That's 18% gain for the day already. And I was late to trading today. So I could have held it to that line, but like I said, I just wanted to get rid of it. I'm already up 18%, so why not? So I don't think this is going to happen anymore. What do you mean, me too, Steph? What did I just say? I just realized I don't know what I just said. Oh, late. Okay, I got you. Yeah, I woke up late, missed a lot of good setups this morning. I did get EU though. EU, I did that overnight while I was asleep, so that was perfect. But I'm not counting that in the profitability for the day. I'm just literally counting what y'all see. But since this is pretty much probably not going to give me anything else for today, because everything is already left. We can. Well, actually, let me look on this real quick. I'll probably be able to find a buy on this really quick. I'm up 18%. I can afford to lose. You missed out on GU and GJ. Well, we had went over the. I had the dollar on the weekly video. I'm not sure if you've seen the weekly video I posted in there. The dollar went up exactly where I said last week. So the GU, the sales would have been nice. GJ, I wasn't really watching. I'm trying to wait and see if it'll come down to this area and get stuck. I want to see what happens. Let's see what happens. Well, it's having some struggle in that area, but it'll probably get past it. And I had somebody ask the other day, How do I know where price is gonna struggle at? It's just experience, man. You just been in the market. Nothing is better than experience. Just have a good mentor teaching you what to do in this trade. It's playing around a lot in this region. Because what we could see potentially, if price, yep. I was gonna say price was gonna go down, potentially come back up, and shoot down here. My bad, y'all. I'm eating too. I about to get a burst down. Oh, or this could be a swing low when we get a burst up. This candle is important. It all depends. Nope. It's gonna go down. Yep. It's gonna go down. Go ahead and burst some more. Go ahead, burst, dude. I need a nice candlestick going down. Now this one go down. Give me the burst I want it. This isn't an area for price to go up. It just got past that. It should keep going down. Those of you watching, there is mentorship available. If it's not all of my students watching. Damn, this thing still didn't burst down. Come on. Go down. Deshaun Grant, you're trying to tap in. Follow me. Message me on IG. Follow me there and send me a message. Deshaun. On Instagram, intellectual_CEO. Or PrimeTime Pips. You can search that up in Instagram too. That'll pop up. Either one. Just message me on either one of those accounts. You could do a monthly subscription or a one-time payment. And you can cancel it anytime. We're getting a nice push to the upside off of this. Would it be nice if this wicks? Oh, it retested and went down like I said it would, but now it's trying to go back up. Let's see something. Let's see if we can get something like that. Let's just see. If it hits this area, I'm just going to not even do this. But we're still up 18%. So it's another 18% there. I think yesterday we got -3%, if I'm correct. But I'm going to show y'all when I lose too. I'm very profitable for the week for the other trades y'all don't see, that I don't take in the morning. But from what you've seen, 18 with a -3, that's 15%. And then I think Monday, how much did we get Monday? I think we got 9% Monday. No, we got 13% on Monday. Yeah. So we're up 28%. So from what y'all seen this week, we're up 28%. From what y'all seen, I'm up much higher than that, but like I said, I'm not counting anything that y'all don't see. Look at that area just making it struggle. I love it. Oh, Deshaun, you already follow me. Didn't know. All right. So for today, I'm just gonna take my 18% and just go. But remember, if any of y'all, goddamn, if any of you guys want to follow or become a student whatsoever, you can follow at PrimeTime Pips and send me a message, or at intellectual_CEO and send me a message. And also, you can go on either one of these to be able to see testimonials, profits, all that good shit, withdrawals, all that nice stuff that you guys always want to see. Just follow me on that, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, I'm about to close this live stream down because I don't believe I'm going to find anything else for the day, because some crazy moves already happened for the day, and luckily I was able to find one that gave me 18% at least. But remember to follow that. If you forget it, just pause it or go back when the recording is done. And you see price in US 30 had that buy, could have got out up here and had like a 1 to 10, 1 to 11, and closed it right before it hit this high. I'm surprised it didn't run these highs, but that all that means is, as price is coming down, I'm just gonna end up going back up and taking all of this out later. But you see, that could have been, I think I had a 28 pip stop loss. This has been 244. I'm sorry, 237. Yeah, so that would have been a 1 to 11, 11 point something. Damn near 1 to 12. I would have been up 33% if I held it and closed here. But I'm not upset with 18%. That's perfectly fine. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to try to do this a lot earlier tomorrow so we can catch multiple setups. But I'm out here, man. If y'all have any questions about anything, like I said, I gave you guys my Instagrams. Contact me, ask your questions, even if it's about mentorship, pricing, whatever it is. Just let me know, but I'm gone. See you guys later.